Alright, so as you've probably seen, I ended up getting a few little more pieces done. They're still yet to be welded into their homes, but that piece there will be where the handle attaches, probably on this side here, and then they'll have the sprocket here. So still yet to kind of face this side, put a little chamfer on it, but otherwise it's going to work out fine. Piece of galvanized fence post, but it's that big. It's probably really, it's too thick. And if I could salvage another piece like this where it's thinner, be better. But if I can't, I'm just going to use it. Obviously this was inspired by the old school bomber seat that I'm still working on. And if anyone's watched my previous video, they know that I've got back into 3D printing, and I'm just going to maybe have some fun with it, not be so serious with what I print. Anyway, so I want to start doing some carbon fibre just to mess around with it. I mean, I'm an avid eBay buyer. If anyone knows me really, really well, which majority of them don't. Avid eBay buyer, buy a lot of stuff on eBay actually. A lot of stuff that you just can't get at a normal kind of hardware shop or store, Bunnings, etc. Anyway, so I want to buy some carbon fibre rolls for my printer, but definitely way out of my budget, definitely way too expensive, so I'm going to make an offer on a roll tonight and see what the eBay seller says, if he or she or the company comes back and accepts it. If not, we'll just go back and forth until we reach an agreement. I want him to make some money, but also I want to walk away with a good deal. So otherwise, it's been a pretty productive day, and that's it. I did order some stainless steel nozzles, and I also have I think a brass nozzles somewhere probably over there. Oh, there they are here. Didn't think they were sitting on top, but clearly they are. So, yeah. So anyway, if anyone likes the videos or likes the content that I'm putting out, even though it's not a lot of hands-on stuff so far, then definitely follow, and I will follow back. Definitely a courtesy follow, which I definitely appreciate everyone that watches my stuff and checks it out. So yeah, the bomber seat's coming out good. It's pitch black here in Australia tonight. Yesterday was about 5 o'clock, 5 o'clock in the afternoon, it hit about 5 degrees, so it was pretty cold. So anyway, I'll see you in a few days with the next update video.